My suitcase isn't here.
Can you describe it?
It's black with a red tag.
All right, let me check the system.
I've been waiting for 30 minutes.
I understand your concern.
This is very frustrating.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
All the other bags are gone.
Sometimes luggage arrives late.
What should I do now?
Please fill out this form.
Will I get my suitcase back?
We'll do our best to locate it.
I have important documents inside.
We'll mark this as urgent.
Could it be on another flight?
Yes, that's possible.
How long does this usually take?
Usually within 24 to 48 hours. What's your flight number?
Flight VN 302.
Where did you fly from?
From Singapore.
Is there anything unique about the bag?
It has a small scratch on the side.
What's inside the suitcase?
Clothes and some gifts.
Can I have your contact details?
Sure.
Please sign here.
Okay. I need my clothes for a meeting tomorrow.
We understand.
Is there any compensation?
Yes, according to airline policy.
How much is it?
It depends on the situation.
This is my first time losing luggage.
It doesn't happen often. We'll call you once we find it.
Please do. Can I track it online?
Yes, using your reference number.
What if it's permanently lost?
Then we'll proceed with compensation.
That sounds serious.
We'll try to avoid that.
I feel very stressed.
I completely understand. We found your suitcase.
Really?
It was delayed in transit.
That's a relief.
It will arrive on the next flight,
When?
later tonight.
That's good.
We can deliver it to your hotel.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
I was really worried.
That's understandable.
Is there anything else I should do?
Just keep your receipt.
Will I receive updates?
Yes, by email.
Thank you for your professionalism.
It's our duty.
Airports can be stressful.
Yes, especially during peak season.
I hope this doesn't happen again.
We hope so too.
At least it's being handled.
Exactly.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad.
Thank you for resolving this.
Have a pleasant stay.